Alright guys, welcome to this tutorial video. So in this video I'll be showing you guys another airdrop that I'm currently farming that is very powerful. This airdrop is not a new airdrop, so they have already launched their token. They have done their first airdrop, all right, and their first airdrop rewarded a lot of people with quite good significant amount of money. So why not? They are doing their season 2 airdrop, so it is the best time for we to take advantage of this. They have also tweeted saying that this season 2 airdrop will still happen in this year. So they have not given a tentative time that is going to happen, but from all indication, it's possible that it will be happening in the second quarter. All right, because most projects and most airdrops will be happening on the second quarter. All right, so without any further ado, let me show you guys their token and I will show you how to farm the airdrop. So if I go to Bybit, for example, all right, on Bybit, I'm just going to search for Soso. Okay, you can see here, you see Soso. Now, this is the airdrop we're going to be farming. So we're going to be farming Soso airdrop. And if you check their all-time high, they got to $1.7. So even currently that is $0.5 is still worth something significant. You just imagine that at the end of this, if you are able to get, even if it is 1,000 piece of their token, that will give you over $500. And remember that at this point the price have crashed, so uh we're expecting the price to go back up. All right, so even if you are giving 1,000 Soso token or 2,000 Soso token, you can actually hold it. All right, saying that this token have not dropped below its listing price. Okay, so without any further ado and without much of work or talk, let's get into how to farm this. So this is my Soso airdrop. All right, so I'm farming it with the app and I'm going to show you guys. So what this platform is all about, they are similar to Arkham. All right, so they do token analysis, token research, news, and so many other stuff that you can. So if you come to the app, looks similar to coin market cap. All right, so you get coins based on their market cap, their top gainers, and you can use several filters here. All right, so you can go to the feed session for you to know what is going on this the crypto space. This application is quite handy. You can look at institutions, tweets, research on chain, and so on and so forth. You can go to their token bar for you to find more about token bar and all that stuff that I've been posting. All right, you can go to their what you can add your watch list. You can make use of their own AI on this platform. Okay, but what we are interested in is the SP section. Okay, so if you go to the SP, you can see that currently I have around 820,000 SP. All right, and you can see here is state season 2. All right, and you can see at the top is season. So I'm still on level 1. Okay, so I need additional 198,000 points for me to get to level 2. All right, so let's get to it. How do you earn this token? Very simple. You earn the token using from daily check-in. All right, first thing you need to do is to use your the link I'm going to provide for you to get started. All right, so if you join, I'm going to be rewarded with 25,000 SP and you are going to get 75,000 SP. All right, so and then how you get to earn Soso every day is by daily interaction. Like if you look at this place where it say bonus here, if you look here, so this place, it refreshes every 24 hours. Every 24 hours when you come here, you are going to get something to watch, something to share, and something to quote or reply. All right. So each of these you do will take at least 1 minute for verification. Sometimes mine takes up to 5 or more minutes for verification. Then if I come here verify, and I will get verified. Okay. So ensure you make use of the referral link to join, because if you make use of the referral link, you're going to get 75,000 Soso XP. Okay. So all I need to do now for here, I'll just click on this quote. I'll click on quotes. It will bring me here. Although I'm not going to post this, I'll just exit it. I'll close it. I'll go back and I'll do the next, because if you keep quoting this or reposting it on your timeline, uh, X could ban the account. Okay, so I'll scroll here. I'll click on the like, and if you check, if I scroll down, you will see, okay, I have not liked this one, so I'm going to like it, and I'm going to retweet it, and then I'll come back. So I'll leave this to count down to 0. You can start this counting. So I'll go and check if these ones are done, because I did these ones earlier, and you can see I receive 4,000, and my daily check-in today is 1,000, so which is 5,000 SP. I'll click here again to check. Okay, you can see this one. Whenever if you encounter this challenge or this pop-up, don't panic. Okay, don't do anything, just leave it. It will count down, or you can count down again, and after counting down, you can give it some time. Just leave it, come back, check it, click later, and come back later, check it, and you should be able to get your point. Okay, so ensure you use the referral link and my referral code to join, so that you can get the invitation bonuses. But it's not compulsory, because I know that there are some people that do not like to make use of people's referral code. I'm not doing this for the referral benefit, but if I get the referral benefit, I'll still be excited. All right, so that is just it, and I wish you guys all the best of luck. Keep farming so. And yes, lest I forget, now another thing you get to do, another thing I did to increase my Soso SP is by going to the starter pack. You can see the starter pack here. You see there are some that say completed. If I click the arrow there, I will scroll down. You will see these are the ones that I did to complete. So I connected my Google. If you are signed up, I would advise you to use your Google to sign up. I connected my X, which gave me 50,000. I downloaded the desktop app, which gave me 150,000. I installed the mobile app, which I'm using, which gives me 150,000. Subscribe to their YouTube, follow them on X, and all this. So these are the activities I did that accumulated to this uh 800 and something thousand. I don't know on how what basis they are going to use to exchange their SP to their token, but I believe that is something that will be worth our time. So you can just add this to your archives of one of those airdrop that you're farming. All right. So I wish you guys all the best. This one here, which is buy SoSoValue index, I didn't buy it. I don't want to buy it, so that's why I didn't do that one. So these are how you get to uh, earn with SoSoValue, and then position yourself for the next airdrop. Now, if you are on, if this airdrop, you can do it, like you can still do it on your phone. If you don't have laptop, the only thing that you will not get will be that install on uh desktop, the 150,000 for installing on desktop. That is the only thing you will not get, but you can still use your phone to run it and get the other ones. You can also share the opportunity with your friends and let them join, and when they join, of course, you will be better positioned to earn from this. Okay, so this is me completing my task. So just left just one. Okay, So I have two left, this and this. So all right, I have just one left. So once this one is done, I'll come here, verify it, and that will be it. So guys, thank you and have a wonderful day. I'll be sharing more of this opportunity with us guys, because as I said earlier in one of my video, I said that we're in the season of airdrop. Okay, guys, even if you don't like doing airdrop, start doing it now, because that is the best way you can position yourself for at least a starter pack in this crypto space. All right, even if it's $200 or $1,000 you get, by the time you can use it to start up and start trading or increase it. So I wish you guys all the best. And yeah, another thing before I sign off, I want to say is this: please don't take this delta coin mining slightly. Take it serious. I am begging you guys. This is how I joked with Pi. And when I now took Pi serious, it was already too late for me, and I didn't even benefit anything from Pi. I know people who had over 100 and something thousand Pi coin, and it made them instant millions. All right, no matter how much you have, no matter how rich you are, an extra more money is always advisable. So, guys, this project, it may look like pie, but I can assure you that this project is going to do well. The reason being that there are many pie miners who will see this as a project that look like the pie, and they will join it. The community will grow, and they have already made their allocations known, and their white paper is known, their total token generation supply is known, everything is known, the people, the continent that people are registering from is known. They are giving you data that other platforms will hide from you. So don't joke with Delta coin mining. I am begging you guys. I just have to add this to this. You don't need to use my referral link to join. If you don't want to use my referral link, don't use my referral link to join. If you want to use mine, fine, use mine. But I'm begging you, don't joke with this data coin. All right, that will be all. Thank you guys. Have a wonderful day. Bye.